nonprofit is the 501c3. There are 501(c)(3)1s, 501(c)(3)2s, and so on and so forth. Most people wouldn't know that some federal credit unions are actually nonprofit organizations, as well as the federal business entities. Some of those are also nonprofit organizations. For example, the police unions are also nonprofit organizations. So there's a plethora of nonprofit organizations, but as I said before, the 501c3 is the most common.
Some of my clients come to me and want to start vendor agreements and start partnership agreements to create contracts between themselves and other entities. You're an attorney. Tell me why they shouldn't do that.
Well, number one, it's almost impractical to actually find all of the laws and loopholes that would prevent you from ending up in litigation. But if you hire an attorney, that can almost curtail most of those issues or concerns that will arise when it comes down to drafting your own contracts. There are certain laws that are surrounding certain issues when it comes down to creating contracts. For instance, if you're using employment agreements, you need to know what those employment laws are. Or if you're doing vendor agreements, you need to know where you're doing business, which states you're doing business, because certain states have different legal ramifications behind certain laws.
Great. Now, a lot of my clients out here now are going to ask you also this. I need to choose an attorney. What criteria, or how should I go about choosing an attorney when I'm starting my business?
Well, in choosing an attorney, you want to find someone that has a wealth of knowledge in regards to the business establishment that you're trying to establish. You want them to have a complete knowledge of what your business is, what your goals are, and how you plan to move your business forward. Lots of times we go on a phone book and whoever has the largest ad is who you want to be with, is who you want to hire and retain for your attorney. But that's not always the case, because your pockets are large doesn't mean you have a large wealth of knowledge in regards to the business establishment that you're interested in.
Charlene, you gave us a lot of great information. I'm wonderful for you coming and being on the show, and I want to thank you for coming on. Now, CJ's got a couple of people in the audience that may want to ask you a few questions. Will you take a few questions from the audience?
Sure, why not?
Yes, sir. Your name and your question, please.
Hi, my name is Richard Jones. I'm with the Louisiana football team. My question is, what would you do if you want to operate your own business in another state?
If you'd like to operate your business in more than one state, you would first need to be registered in good standing in your home state, and then you must apply for the authority to transact business in another state. And applying for those, the authority to transact business in another state, you can retrieve those documents from the Secretary of State of the state of which you would plan to operate in.
Yes, ma'am. Your name and your question, please.
My name is Emily Swad, and I'd like to know if the business you're operating is being run as a nonprofit organization, how do you earn money?
Well, we don't want to mistake earning money and earning revenue in a nonprofit to be the same. You earn money in a nonprofit organization by charging fees, and with earning money in a nonprofit organization, your staff actually they're salaried or hourly employees.
Thanks, CJ. Great questions, great responses. Charlene, a lot of the viewers and the audience here are going to wonder how to get in touch with you. So how do they contact you?
You can get in contact with me by calling 504-941-7316, or you can reach me via email, which is charlane@lawyer.com, SHARLAYNE @lawyer.com. Thank you.
Great. Give her a hand, Charlene Jackson Prevost. Thank you. We're going to break, and when we come back, we'll have our VIB section, my favorite part of the show, which is called Very Important Businesses. Stay right here. We'll be right back after this break.
Many of New Orleans Recreation Department parks and play areas are in need of renovations in the wake of storm damage. Is there a park or play area in your neighborhood in need of assistance? Hi, I'm Joe Johnson, New Orleans Saints Hall of Famer. Join me as we take on this challenge head on. NORD needs donations, mentors, and most importantly, your time, as we turn these facilities back into safe havens of play for the youth of our community. Please call the NORD offices at 658-3000 for more information on how you can help.
The law offices of Charlene Jackson Prevost, located at 1065 Muller Parkway, Suite C in West Wego, Louisiana, will provide quality and professional services for your legal needs, specializing in personal injury, criminal and family law, business formation, wills and successions, traffic, and expungements. Call Charlene Jackson Prevost at 504-941-7316 or email charlene@lawyer.com.
The Entrepreneur Assistance Center, a prestigious, fully furnished business address, VoIP telephone system, digital printing and copy services, meeting and conference rooms, computers with high-speed internet access to business resources and seminars, digital printing and copy services, mail and package delivery, and much, much more. For more information, call 504-201-2076.
Your new home awaits at Anderson Place. Eligible income families and first-time home buyers affected by Hurricanes Katrina and Rita can qualify for $85,000 in grants for these lovely 3-bedroom, 2-bath, single-family units. Working in partnership with Viola Home, these units are for sale now with more under construction and will assist you throughout the buying process. For more information, call People's Community at 504-347-3110.
Welcome back to Business After Hours Live, and this is my favorite segment of the show. We call it VIB, Very Important Businesses. Venus Clay-Brooks has several entrepreneurs, and we're going to find out what their businesses are and what they do. Venus, who do we have tonight?
Thanks, Ruben. If you could tell us your name, the name of your company, the services your company provide, and your contact information.
My name is Stephanie Bolden, and I represent a company called Axion Texas of Louisiana. We're a nonprofit that provides loans to individuals who are trying to start or expand their existing business. My office is located in Slidell area at 1338 Gauze Boulevard, Suite 320. My phone number is 504-373-9695. And you can also reach me by email at sbolden, that's SBOLDEN, at Axion, ACCION, Texas.org.
Hi, my name is Carolyn Flowers, owner and operator of Totally Fit Physique Personal Training Facility. And what I do is get people in shape. I have people get ready for bodybuilding shows, personal training. We have toning, abdominal work, cardiovascular, weigh-in and body fat testing. I also help people get their eating plans together as well. I'm located at 5703 Reed Boulevard in New Orleans East. My telephone number is 504-439-2639. I also have a website, www.totallyfitphysique.com. And remember, stay fit.
I'm Eluria Hunter with E. Hunter & Associates. I am a technical assistant provider for the U.S. Small Business Administration Community Express Loan Program. This is a program that assists small businesses with startup, home base, and small office working capital. Our loans range anywhere from $5,000 all the way up to $50,000. Application process is within 2 weeks turnaround. You can reach me at area code 504-309-1425, 1515 South Salcedo, or my website is ehunter111@aol.com.
Hi, my name is Deetra Matthews Ratcliffe. I am the owner of Advanced Personal Care Services. We are located at 3501 Holiday Drive, Suite 401. Our phone number is 504-227-0773, and we provide in-home and community supports to disabled and elderly individuals in the New Orleans metropolitan area. Please give us a call so one of our qualified staff can assist you with your needs. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Carol Alexandra Lewis, and I'm the publisher of Modern Parents Magazine, Connecting Home and School. If there are any businesses that are interested in reaching an audience of parents, you can please visit our website. You can reach us at www.modernparentsmagazine.com, or you can call us locally here at 504-339-5310. Our toll-free 1-800 number is 1-866-994-4242. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jared